Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to send group text message on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to open messages app. So here we have to start chat, and now right here we have to create a group. Then we have to click next. We have to name our group, that's optional, so we don't have to. And if we insert our SIM card, then we can send group message. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!